You know, as an alternative health practitioner, a lot of people ask me if there's any natural solutions for acne or rosacea. And I have to tell you that there are a couple of things that I've seen work very, very well. So I want to share them with you right now. Because the medical position on this is often to give people the drug Accutane, which is sort of a derivative of vitamin A. But we know that that form of vitamin A that they're giving you, even though it's very good for acne, it shrinks the sebaceous glands down so you don't oversecrete sebum and your pores don't get clogged. In the cases of acne, it works, but there is some risk of liver damage, and if there's been some suggestion that people may end up with some very serious adverse side effects. There's some lawsuits around teenagers becoming more suicidal, the development of Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. We don't know how that's going to play out yet, but Accutane is not the first thing I would try. I'm not saying you can't use it. I'm just saying I don't think I would do that first. And in the old days, they used to give people antibiotics to manage their acne, to kill the bacteria, which makes sense because the bacteria are sort of infecting all that sebum, leading to the lesions. But being on long-term antibiotic therapy is very undesirable for a number of reasons. So the question is there anything that's natural that has been shown to work? And I will tell you that this is what I have seen work very, very well. There's a certain type of oregano blend called the P73 wild oregano blend. It's oil of oregano, if you will, but it's a solid extract that's encapsulated. And when people take 2 capsules twice a day who have acne, it starts to kill the acne bacteria from the inside out. Sort of like a natural antibiotic that you can get from nature. That's sort of what I'm talking about here. Then there's an oil of oregano cream that you can put on topically, so before you go to bed at night you put it on the lesions, and in the morning you put it on again and leave it on all day. And it sort of kills the surface bacteria through the day. And it's natural, no side effects, and people do extremely well when they use the oil of oregano capsules and the oil of oregano cream. So if you have acne, I would suggest that you try that protocol and see how well you do with it. The other thing is that if you have rosacea, the exact same protocol I have seen work. Rosacea is one of those more ill-defined types of skin conditions. But we see that when people use the oregano capsules and the oregano cream over that part of the face that's affected, that they often do extremely well as well. So, watch your white sugar intake. Don't eat a lot of chocolate, and don't have a lot of alcohol, things that are going to irritate your skin and sort of inflame the condition, not a lot of saturated fat. And try the oregano capsules and the oregano cream. You can learn more about that by going to Meschinohealth.com. If you enjoyed this video and you felt that you got some meaning from it, then I would really strongly recommend that you go to Meschinohealth.com. And you can sign up for my newsletter so I can coach you on an ongoing basis. As I review the scientific literature from around the world every month, I send out a little weekly message like this that brings people up to date on the latest things they should do so they know how to look after themselves properly. You'll also see how you can get a free download of my book called the Meschino Optimal Living Program, 7 Steps to a Healthy, Fit, Age-Resistant Body. It's a book I believe everyone should read. So you see how you can get a free copy of that when you go to Meschinohealth.com. So hopefully we'll have a chance to meet again, and I'll be able to provide you with ongoing lifestyle coaching that's going to be meaningful so you can have a highly functional body and mind for the longest period of time.